Hi, I've had this coffee maker for 2 years. My house is small, so this Mr. Coffee 5-cup maker is perfect for me. I'm going to show you how simple it is to use. It comes with a glass pot that's for 5 cups, 25 ounces. The handle is made of plastic to protect your hand from burning. It's all made of plastic, so it's very light. There's a cup here where you will put the filters and coffee in. Don't forget to move the faucet over the filter. I'll make 2 cups, so I filled up the water to mark 2. There's a separate compartment here to pour the water in. Press the start button if you want the coffee now. If you want the coffee later, you can use this button here to set the timer. It took less than a minute for the coffee to be done. I would highly recommend it.